Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card using elements from the May 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. For this one, I've taken one of the card bases and I've cut it down to 5 1/4 and then cut it down to 4. So what I've got is these pieces with the center piece taken out. So I'm just going to put this one off to the side because I'm not using that one. I am using this one. And I used the Happy Birthday from Artistically Inked, and I used one of the banners from the kit. When I trimmed the top of the card to cut it down to 5 1/4, I have this piece left. So what I did is I just glued one onto the back of the banner, and then I just trimmed the banner to match the flag. So that will go on the bottom. But it struck me as being, it's great. It's nothing wrong with it, but I thought we can punch this up a little bit. I've seen lots of people using the painted texture folder on this, so I'm going to try the Time Worn type and just see if it just gives it a little bit of different kind of texture look. So I've got that into the folder, and as always, the folders go into the machine. Fold side first so we don't distort or split or the hinge on the folder. I'm just going to run that through and we get the big thump when it goes through. That's okay. Now I'm just going to pop this out. So it's given it just a hint of texture. There's not a lot of texture. It's not as heavy as the Time Worn or as the painted texture. So I think that's going to give it just a little bit of dimension, a little bit of interest. So we're just going to layer this one up. This one's super simple. You just cut up the card base and stamp your greeting. I'm going to dimensionalize the greeting. You can, you could add ribbon if you wanted to. You could add bling. I specifically need this one as a masculine card, so I'm not going to put any of the bling on it. I'm going to let the embossing folder do some of that work. And then I'm just going to pop the greeting down here like that. And we have a really super easy, super quick birthday card. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more alternates.